I'll show you what is means how you can take the printout in 3D printer. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, suppose you have made some model in 3D Max. So first you open the model. So first I'll open this. Okay. So it will take some time. It's opening. So after opening that, the model has to be saved as STL file. Okay. So I'll show you. Also, you need to have the software named Cura for our 3D printer. It may be varied for different types of 3D printer. Okay, so it will come with the 3D printer itself, or you can get it from Google or their website. So we have the Ultimaker printer. So this is the software. So it takes some time. So this is our 3D printer software, that is called Ultimaker Cura. So Ultimaker is a company which used to make 3D printer. For 3D printing or for the models, you can consider, you can use different kinds of softwares like 3D Max, AutoCAD, then CATIA, Creo. Lot of softwares are available in the market. So you can make the models using any one of these software. So it takes some time. So 3D Max is opening. Now I'll make one model, simple model. Suppose I want to make one more. Suppose I want to want the cylinder. So this is the cylinder. Then I want to make one this kind of thing. Yes. I want to make this model. I want to take this build out. So just select this, go to file, okay. Then export or save as. So here only you will get this kind of options, but I want STL file. So select both the elements, then go to export, okay. Export, then go to STL, okay, stereo litho. Just put some name, model, okay, done. So it will be binary and selected only. Done. So you open this Ultimaker software, then for that you have to set the things actually. See, in this case, this is the printer. Manage printer means you can have different kinds of printers, so you can select according to your uh, printer. Then you have to select the type of material. So Ultimaker ABS. We are having ABS. ABS can be black, blue, green, gray, different kinds of ABS. Suppose I have yellow ABS, so you have to select this. Then in this printer we are having four types of nozzles available. Okay, so currently we are having 0.4 mm. So you can select this. Okay, this is done. Then this is another setting. So here, what is this actually? This is the height of the layer. So if you will make, you can reduce it. If you need more accurate, then you can reduce the, so you have to reduce the size. Support is nothing but if like there is a cantilever kind of thing, then you have to use this support option. Otherwise, it cannot print. Then these are the infill. That means how much uh, coarse you want to make it. Okay. So this is the infill. So 100% means it will be like a solid object. Okay. Otherwise, the inside of the object will have some air gaps. Okay, or vents. Then addition. Addition means uh, you can put little extra so that the model will not fall down while it is printing. So these are the different kinds of settings. Okay. So now I have to put the object. So you just go there, or what you can do, you just minimize it. This is the model. You just select it, then you just drag. Okay, this is the your model. So suppose you want to change the size. Suppose I want to change the size along. This is the movement. Okay, you can drag this according to your requirements. So it will be highlighted. The arrow will be highlighted. Okay. Suppose you want to move this. This will not print because this will come. This is outside the printer. So similarly this way. And this is your scale. So suppose I want to make it 50%. So if uniform, it will uniformly change. If not uniform, suppose I want to make the height more 100. Now you can see. Okay. So these are the different options. Suppose I want to rotate this object for 20. So it will print from this side. Okay. Like this. Suppose I want to print. This is the best position. Then this is your, you can change the position actually. Then these are the different options. Now what you have to do, you have to go for slice. So according to your requirements, you can choose. Suppose I want to choose this, I will make this first. Slice, you can see the time and the amount of materials required to print this object. So 28 gram, and it will take around 2 hours 16 minutes with 20% infill. Suppose I want 100%, just say. See, it will take 98 gram. Okay, so there will be no void inside the object. So it will take around 15 hours. Suppose I want to make it 50%. So according to your requirements, how much forces will be applied on the object, according to that you have to choose this. Suppose you want very small layer so that the accuracy is quite high. Because now you can see previously it was 3 hours, now 18 hours. So suppose this 11 hours. I want to make 0.15, only 3 hours. Okay. Suppose I will make this 100% fill, 15 hours. Suppose 100% point 1. Previously it was 11 hours, now we'll see 1 day. Now I'll decrease the value. 3 days. So these are the maximum settings, like means you will get strong material, strong object with more accuracy. Accurate but not that strong. Okay. Then less accurate with less strength, 2 hours. So these are the few settings, and there are a lot of materials available like CPE. So CPE will come under this. Then nylon is also there, black nylon, then transparent nylon, then PLA, black, blue, green. Lot of materials are available in the market. You can see these materials in our 3D printer. We used to have 3 mm round filament. Okay? But few machines are there like it that can be used like 1.8 mm, 2.8 mm like this. So according to your machine, you have to choose the material. Okay? So these are the basic things how you can take the printout. Then you just save this file in pen drive or maybe in memory card. Then you have to put it into the 3D printer. So the printing part will be done according to the file. So this is all about 3D printing, how to take the printing. So you need to have STL file for the to generate the Z code. These are nothing but the Z code. These are known as Z code. Okay. So I think uh, when you will reach here in campus, you just come to me. I will show you how to load the files in the 3D printer and how to get the printout. Okay. I think already you have seen that. So if you will have any doubt, you just contact me. Okay. So I'll stop it here and